Did we get 4 or 3?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, 4 or 3 half.
Y'all had 3. They had 3.
It's 4 points for each card. 12.
It's 3 points for each card.
3 points for each card. So we had 3. We had 3. It's cool. It don't matter. Look, she got him in her head. She got him in her head. What we got here?
Tornado and shadow. Not hit Uranus nor the sky. So that's one.
Okay, we got it. We got the first one. We got the first one.
Oh, come on. What is the dispute?
Shadow, what else?
That's it.
We got it. We got it. Okay, we got it. All right.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, ladies.
All right, let's go.
Hey, y'all gotta be quiet. She whispering.
She fucked up.
Yes, I got it. Party over. Party is over. They got one. They got one. Overdo it.
Everything.
She looking at the card.
No gestures. Hey, no gestures. No gestures. She said,
Oh, my God.
hey, Amber, what you drinking? We need some of that. She got her own bottle. Oh, yeah, shut up.
All right, come on now.
All right, ladies.
And go. All right, this is something I'm gonna do to him. I'm gonna whoop
Kick his ass. Smack him. Kill him.
Fight. Punch.
Why did I say like
This is something elementary school kids used to
You
put
smart.
2
Hold on.
things together. It's called addition. Hey, there we go.
Fuck out of here.
Guys, ladies with not so much stuff up here.
hair on your chest? Little dude.
They put it in a particular type of
Tissue. Padded bra.
training bra.
Man.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. I know, but
In that way.
okay. These are things that you go in the forest and it
Trees. Camping.
Girls don't say. Doing it in the bush.
Bears.
Golden shower.
Snake.